welcome to the channel. My name is Tan. If you're new, if I'm thinking correctly, this is going to be the very first wig review that I put out for the year of 2026. And of course, who else would it be with none other than LuvMe Hair. Today they sent over one of their all-day comfort units, and this is what she's looking like online, while this is what she's looking like straight out of the box. Now, yes, I do realize that she has, you know, a slight wave to her and whatnot, but I want you guys to know that the texture of this unit is a Yaki straight texture. This is what the texture of this unit is looking like up close and personal. Now, I want to say this is the first time that I've ever had a Yaki straight unit from LuvMe Hair. I feel like most of their units are, you know, silky straight, or they have some type of curl or wave to them. But as far as Yaki straight goes, I want to say this is the first. Now, I could be wrong. But I want to say this is the first. A few specs about this unit is that she is 180% density, and with me like just running the unit through my two fingers, she does feel like 180% density. Most LuvMe Hair units are around 150% density, but this one is feeling like a little bit thicker in comparison to their other ones. But she's also a Yaki straight, so I mean that could also play a part in it as well. As far as the lengths that they offer for this unit, I want to say it's 12 inches all the way down to 26 inches, and I believe I received the 24 inch, but if it's not a 24 inch, then it's definitely a 26 inch. Make sure to Make sure to check the description box down below for the correct length. Also, with checking that description box, just know that there will be a direct link to this unit along with my discount code that you can use, Tan Dotson. That'll save you 32% off of their entire website. When it comes to the cap construction for this unit, she is a 7x6, meaning you are going to get 7 inches going across the front and then 6 inches going straight back for that parting space. So you will have the ability to create a middle part and or side parts as well. This unit does come with a large comb in the back that you can remove if you choose to do so. Personally, I'll be leaving mine in because I like that anchor in the back of my units all the time. Now, it doesn't have the traditional adjustable straps in the back, and keep in mind this unit is a part of the All Day Comfort collection like I stated earlier, so therefore the adjustable straps, well, it's not going to be the adjustable straps. Instead, it's going to come with like that more, what is this, bra strap type of adjustable situation. So whenever you have the hooks on the furthest one out, that's going to be for larger head sizes. The one in the middle is going to be for medium head sizes, and then the one that's closest inwards is going to be for smaller head sizes. Ultimately, this line is supposed to be able to universally fit all head sizes. I feel like I was about to get tongue-tied with my words. Woo. Now, if you're worried or concerned about whether this unit comes with a security band or not, yes, it does. Mine didn't come attached to my unit, which means it's probably in a little baggie in the box somewhere, but I'm not going to be using mine for this unit. But just know that the hooks are there, which means it should come with one. One last thing about the cap before we move on to the install for this unit is that this unit does come with like these little curves on each side, and that's more so where the cap is supposed to like lay against the ear for like a more comfortable fit. Oh my goodness, before we move on to the install for this unit, I almost forgot to mention this part. This unit does come with a pre-cut lace, pre-bleach knots, and a pre-plucked hairline. I don't know why I almost forgot to mention it. I guess because we are in the year of, or we're about to be in the year of 2026, so like we're expecting these units to like come with most of this stuff done already. Girl, I don't know. I don't know. Anyways, whoever plucked this unit did an amazing, did an amazing job, because I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna have to do anything.
I might just call and catch a play. I might just come see you today. You ain't I'm stuck up in my ways, but love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Make me think you through some magic and that like you did it. Yeah. Don't be tripping, I'll be there in a minute. You get it, baby. Nah, I'll be there. Be there.
Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about my pros and cons for this unit. Let's start off with my cons first, and I really only have two. The first one is going to be that I wish the coloring of this ombre moment was brought up just a smidge more. In my opinion, it's giving very much so like half and half. I mean, obviously it's an ombre moment, but as far as the percentage wise of it, if you will, it's like literally half of it is like black and then the other half is brown. I don't know, I want this brown to just go up, like I said, just a smidge more. Now that I'm sitting up here saying it out loud, it's really not a con, it's just more so of like a personal preference, but whatever. My other con for this unit is that she does shed just a tad bit. It's nothing excessive, it's nothing that's like crazy or anything like that, but I am noticing a few strands here and there. Now let's go ahead and move on to my pros for this unit. To start off, I love the texture of this unit. Again, I'm pretty sure this is my first time ever having a Yaki straight unit from LuvMe Hair. I could be wrong, like I said earlier, but I truly feel like this is my first time. And honestly, I feel like LuvMe Hair needs to produce more units like this. The feel of this unit is so soft. Like sometimes with some Yaki straight units, I feel like they can feel why can't I talk? They can feel a bit on the drier side, but I'm not getting that with this unit. I'm also really loving this brown color on this unit. Now, LuvMe Hair, hear me out. I feel like you should recreate this exact same unit, but only have the roots of it dark and then the rest of the unit this chocolate brown color. But hear me out, whenever you do it, you have to ombre it, you know, correctly, not have it like a harsh line of demarcation. Yeah, we want the ombre, but just the roots, I don't know, I feel like that would just look really good. Of course, as a pro, I have to mention the lace. I love me some LuvMe Hair lace. It tends to blend so nicely. Of course, I did go in, I don't think I showed this part, but I did use the remainder of the foundation that was on my makeup brush and just kind of tap it on top of the lace to help it blend. But like, come on now, it's blending so nicely. And on top of that, I'm wearing this unit completely glueless. I'm talking about no sprays, no glues, no nothing on this unit right now. This unit is extremely beginner friendly. Now, would I say just take her straight out the box and plop her on? Absolutely not. I would highly recommend obviously going in and running a flat iron through her. If you want to make sure to have the curl in the front, then go in and recurl that, or you can wear it straight. I feel like I'm probably going to end up straightening it. I don't know, but I kind of do like this little like curl moment. I don't know, child. Maybe I might go through and like curl the rest of it. I will say, I'm so sorry. I will say that I don't think that this unit will hold a curl for like a super duper long time. Right now, this little curl is holding up, but I did go through and try to like bump the ends on the hair, and I mean, it's there, but yeah, maybe I would have to add more layers or something like that, but it doesn't bother me because again, this unit is a Yaki straight unit. My last pro for this unit is that she is big head friendly. Now listen, most of the time I leave the adjustable strap, hook, whatever that's in the back on the furthest one out. Why? Because I feel like I got a big head. That's just me personally. But with this unit, I did decide to go in and like tighten it in just one, so on the like medium setting, if you will, the medium head size shape, yeah, if you will, and she's fitting and sitting very comfortably right now. This is so random, but I do not like when the light starts to like peek through the blinds and this situation starts to happen, so let me go ahead and wrap this video up. Overall, if you are someone who's in the market for a very beginner friendly unit with some texture and color, I'd highly recommend this one. Again, don't forget to use my discount code TANDOTSON. That'll save you 32% off of their entire website. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll make sure to have my socials linked below. And yeah, I don't have anything else to say except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.